MoeTheDriver. Dangerously undermedicated.
What's up, my fellow drivers? Hey, check it out. I'm gonna start this video a little different. So what happened was we had this dude that pulled up alongside of me with a Audi something or other. I don't even know what it was, but basically he pulled up with his little girlfriend in the car and tried to flex. So I kind of had to, make a victim out of him. I mean, it was kind of funny. So, and I don't know what kind of car it was. So I need you guys to help me identify what kind of Audi it was. I mean, some kind of Audi, but S something or other. You'll hear him talk. You'll hear him asking me about the car and stuff. Listen to what he says about how fast it is. Let's get to the video.
And Holmes Garcia Advertising presents Local Proud. Cali College has 5 locations.
Finish him! Finish her!
36 programs. Precision tools and more. Topper Plus Truck Accessories offers rudder lining.
Fatality.
Truck caps, antennas, grill guards, step bars, and more. Make your truck work for you. Thank you for shopping local.
Ladies, are you still wearing that cool?
No, it's 900, man.
900?
Yeah. Yeah, it's not stock. Yeah.
Well done.
If there's something you want to see on the channel, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.